Did you know that neem leaves has been used for centuries for hair growth and clear skin? Today on Ivy's Naturals, I will show you how to turn these leaves into a powerful chemical-free powder you can use at home. Natural hair lovers, neem leaves may not smell its best. It may not even taste its best because it is very bitter when you taste it. But trust me, it works wonders. And in subsequent videos, I will be showing you also how you can use these neem leaves to make oils and even neem tea. Neem has antimicrobial and antifungal properties, and so it makes it even very powerful in treatment of eczema, psoriasis, dandruffs, and even dermatitis. The Hausa tribe in Nigeria commonly refers to neem as dogoyaro. This name translates to tall child in Hausa. Likely it's referring to the tree's height and even the medicinal properties. After you have plucked your neem leaves, you pick and then you proceed to rinsing it. You rinse properly because mine I rinsed twice. You can see how dirty the water is. You want to ensure you rinse it very well before you proceed to drying. Neem can also be used apart from the neem tea I talked about. You can also use neem to make neem soap, shampoo, toothpaste. There are also in some pharmacies you get to see neem capsules. Yes, that is to show you how powerful and how medicinal it is. I believe you've seen this leaf before in your area and you do not know it is this versatile. Please note that you can dry your neem leaves using the dehydration function in your air fryer at room temperature or even directly under the sunlight. Here is mine after about 4 to 5 days. You know your leaves are properly dried when it sounds like this. Let's proceed with blending our leaves. Ensure yours is very dry so as to achieve a fine, smooth neem powder. That is what we're looking out for. Now, neem leaves, the reason why it is this active and powerful is because it contains bioactive compounds like nimbidine, nimbin, and azadirachtin, which helps to fight bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Just look at that. See how fine my powder is. This is so amazing because at the end, all of the work, all of the effort put in is worth it. Go ahead to blend the remaining of your leaves if you have more quantity. Please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, and also subscribe. I know you're gaining value for your viewing, so why not invite somebody to also come and be a part of this big family? You will learn a lot of things here. Yes, on Ivy's Naturals, we're committed to giving you the very best top-notch videos and DIYs. So subscribe, my natural hair lovers. Do not go anywhere. Stay tuned and watch the remaining parts of the video. I will be right back. And this is it. Our homemade neem powder is ready to use. Whether for hair care, skin care, or health remedies, Neem is packed with amazing benefits. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use yours. And also, once again, do not forget to subscribe, share, and like. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye.